Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the GTA 5 error code error gen invalid corrupt game data, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is, if you have GTA 5 open through Steam, make your way over to Steam on your desktop, right click on it and hit run as an administrator. Once Steam is open, you can make your way over to library. From library, go down to GTA 5 wherever you have it installed, right click on it, hit properties, and then go over to installed files, and then go ahead and verify this game's files are installed correctly and hit verify integrity of game files. And this is basically just verifying the files, so if you have any corrupt files, this will basically fix that issue. And you can do the same thing on Epic Games Launcher. Go ahead and open up Epic Games Launcher. It's the same process. Go over to library, go over to Grand Theft Auto, go over to like your library, go over to Grand Theft Auto, hit the three dots, go to manage, and then go to verify files. This is the same process, and once you do this as well, you guys should be good to go, and you are all set. You can also restart your PC, and once you also do that, you guys should be good to go, and you're all set for the video. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.